Presenting the 2014 Audi S8. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 8-cylinder engine. With fewer than 20,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, an alarm system, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, push-button start, automatic climate control, pre-collision system, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.